In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project management system in Notion, an incredibly versatile tool for organizing and managing your tasks efficiently. Whether you're managing a personal project or something for work, having a good system in place can really streamline your workflow. Let's get started. First, we're going to create a brand new page in Notion. If you're not already familiar, Notion allows you to create pages that can house anything from basic text to complex databases. To begin, you'll want to go to your Notion workspace and look for the option to add a new page. This is typically found on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it, and you'll be prompted with a variety of templates and page types to choose from. Now, for our project management system, you'll need to select Table Full Page as the structure of your new page. This decision is essential because the table format will allow us to easily organize and manipulate data, making it perfect for tracking multiple aspects of projects simultaneously. Once you select this format, you'll notice a new table appear on your canvas, ready for customization. Next, you'll want to immediately name this table to give context to what you're about to create. In this example, we'll call it Projects. This signifies that this is the hub where you'll manage all of the projects you are working on. Naming it something clear and straightforward also ensures that you or anyone else using the system will instantly understand its purpose. As you gaze upon this new table in your Notion space, think of it as a blank canvas ready to be tailored to your specific needs. You can now start adding columns that will represent different elements of your projects. For example, you might add columns for things like the project name, deadline, status, and priority. You can customize these columns to fit exactly what information you need to track. Remember, flexibility is one of Notion's strong suits, so feel free to drag and drop to rearrange columns, tweak properties, or even link to other pages or databases within your workspace. With a well-structured table customized to your workflow, tracking progress becomes intuitive and efficient. Be sure to periodically check if the system you're building still caters to your needs as your projects evolve. You can always come back and add additional columns or adjust existing properties like tags and filters to better suit how your team operates. Creating a project management system in Notion can really free up time and mental bandwidth, leaving you better equipped to focus on what matters most, getting your projects completed in an organized and timely manner. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this gives you a boost in productivity. Happy organizing, and see you next time.